Good morning, children. Today we are back with our next chapter, chapter number 11, Sunita in Space. Straight from the heart. What do you think the Earth looks like? Make a drawing of the Earth in your notebook. On your drawings, show where you are. Took a look at your friend's drawing too. So every student must do that. What is our Earth really like? Uzaira and Shashmir are playing with the globe. While they play, they are talking to each other. Do you know this, Uzira? That Sunita Williams is visiting our school tomorrow. I have heard that she has spent more than 6 months in space. So what Uzira says, based on that, we can say that Sunita Williams, the famous astronaut, is going to visit their school. Let's see what Shashmir has to say about it. Looking at the globe, look, here is America, Africa. Hey, where is space? That's an interesting question. Children, we are going to learn about great Sunita Williams. She was born on September 19, 1965. She is an American astronaut and United Navy officer of Indian Soviet descent. So that's some interesting facts about Sunita Williams. So getting back to the portion where Shashmir is confused about where is space. He can find America. He can also find Africa. But space? Uzira says the sky, stars, sun and moon, they are all in space. So everyone, you must remember, in space we have the sky, stars, sun, moon, planets and a lot of other things. Uzira, after her dialogue that the sky, stars, sun, moon, they're all in space, Shashmir says, yes, I know. Sunita Williams went to space, saw on TV that she could see the Earth from there. Uzira says, yes, from there the Earth looked like this globe. Shashmir says, if the Earth looks like this globe, then where are we? Uzira takes a pen and places it on the globe. Uzira, here we are. This is India. Shashmir says, if we were here like this, we would fall off. I think we must be inside the globe. If we are on it, based on Shashmir's view, we should fall. If we are inside, then it is safe. Let's see what happens next. Uzira, if we are inside, then the sky, the sun, the moon, and the stars, we must be on the globe. And all the seas and oceans must also be on the globe. Kashmir says, pointing towards the lower part of the globe. You mean to say that no one stays here? Uzira says, people live here too. Brazil and Afghanistan are there. Can you locate all the different places on the globe? Are the people there standing upside down? Why don't these people fall down? That's an interesting question. Uzira says, yes, it looks strange, isn't it? And this blue part must be the sea. Why doesn't the sea water fall off? If the earth is round like a globe, how is it that we do not fall? Do the people of Argentina stand upside down? What do you think? If the earth is round like a globe, how is it that we do not fall off? Can you answer that? Do the people of Argentina stand upside down? That's some interesting question. Can you answer that? Next, we are going to the next portion. Talking to Sunita. When Sunita Williams came to India, thousands of children like Uzaira and Kashmir got a chance to meet her. Sunita's experience of living in space. Sunita says, we could not sit at one place. We kept floating in the space from one end to another. So in space, it's very hard to stay at one place. Water too doesn't stay at one place. It floats around as blobs. To wash our face or hands, we had to catch these blobs and wet paper with them. That's something interesting. Floating water in space. We ate very differently there. The real fun was when all of us would float into the dining area of the space and catch the floating food packets. So that seems a lot of fun. In space, there was no need to use a comb. My hair kept standing all the time. Not being able to walk, we had to get used to floating around. We had to learn to do simple things differently. To stay at one place, we had to strap there. So they have to strap themselves to that particular place, just like applying seat belts on oneself to stay in a particular space. Papers also had to be stuck to the wall of the spaceship. It was a lot of fun in the space, but it was also difficult. It all seems very fun to us, but when someone actually goes to space, that's really challenging, and it's also a life-changing experience for the person going to space. It's time for the activity of the day. Today's activity is a fun one. It is addition space race. What you have to do is take the number in the circle below and add it to the numbers on the track. Write the answers as you go. Use a timer to see how long it takes you to finish the race.